Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on understanding what a trademark is and how it works, including the benefits, how it protects your brand, and the essential steps to register one. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex trademark process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can secure your trademark for just $39, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into what a trademark is. So, what is a trademark? A trademark is a unique sign, symbol, word, or phrase that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or services of one party from those of others. It's essentially your brand's identity and what sets your product apart from the market. For example, if you see the Nike swoosh, as you can see right here, you instantly recognize it as a Nike product, representing a certain quality and style. And now let's understand, how does a trademark work? Trademarks work by giving you exclusive rights to use that mark in connection with specific goods or services. This means that no one else can use your trademark or anything confusingly similar in the same category of goods or services without your permission. It protects you from competitors trying to piggyback on your brand's reputation and ensures that your customer can easily identify your products in the marketplace. And now, why are trademarks important? Trademarks are crucial for building brand recognition and trust. They prevent others from using similar names, logos, or slogans that could confuse your customers or dilute your brand. For example, if you're selling a high-quality skincare product under a unique brand name, a trademark ensures that no one else can use a similar name that might mislead customers into buying an inferior product. Now, here are some common misconceptions. Many people think that just because their business name is different, they don't need a trademark. But if another business uses a name or logo similar enough to cause confusion among customers, it could still infringe on your trademark. For instance, if Dove chocolate and Dove soap are two completely different products, right? But they are registered under different classes, so there is no confusion in the marketplace. Now, let me tell you on how you can register a trademark if you want to do it by yourself, if you don't want any registered agent doing it. So number one would be to conduct a trademark search. Ensure that no one else is using a similar name or logo in your industry. And then number two would be to file a trademark application. Provide details like your mark, the goods or services it would cover, and your contact information. And then after that, you would need to wait for examination. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office will review your application to ensure it meets all the requirements. And then number four would be approval and publication. Once approved, your trademark will be published in the official gazette for others to oppose if they believe it conflicts with their mark. But don't worry if the trademark registration process seems overwhelming. Northwest Registered Agent has got you covered, making it easy and stress-free for you to protect your brand. So these are the process if you would use Northwest Registered Agent right here. First is to sign up, then intake form, clearance check, and submit application. After that, the office actions right here, and then you will now be registered. These are very simple because you have Northwest Registered Agent guiding you all throughout. You don't have to stress about anything. If you have any questions, you can just ask them directly and they will be answered. So if you want to get started with Northwest, use the link in the description down below. And that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.